I'm Saba, mother of 2 boys living here in Dubai. Today I'm going to show you a really nice recipe perfect for kids. We're going to make oat cocoa cupcakes. All you need is first step is mix all the dry ingredients. The reason I like to add oats in this recipe is I like to add some nutrition while giving kids the treats. So you can always switch it up with any flour, but oats is really nutritious and it helps to give them more energy through the day. Add some baking soda. You would need half a teaspoon of it and then 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Mix all of them together and then you're going to add some wet ingredients. So now I'm going to put all the wet ingredients. First thing, you would need 2 eggs and you can put directly in the dry mix. If you're making a bigger batter, you can always use 3 eggs. Now we're going to mix it all together. So now I'm going to use some butter. I like to use melted butter, but you can always use some room temperature ones. I'm using half cup of almond milk in it. Again, that's a way to add more nutrition for your kids. Now we're gonna mix all of it together. So I'm using cocoa powder for mine, but you can always switch it up and use a ripe banana in it. It always gives a nice texture. So you would need cupcake liners. You can find them from any supermarket. I'm going to put the batter in 4 of them. You can use these parchment paper as well, so the cupcakes won't stick while baking. Now I'm going to just put the batter. Now that the cupcake liners are ready, I'm going to put them in the tray in the air fryer and they're going to bake for 40 minutes. So let's put the tray in and I'm going to put it on the baking setting, which is 160 degrees, and it will bake for 40 minutes. Now the cupcakes are almost ready and it's time for the fun part. We're going to do some frosting. Let's protect our hands and take out the cupcakes. We're going to cool it down for 15 minutes and then we will do the frosting on top. Time to frost the cupcakes. I prepared mine earlier with some whipping cream and some caster sugar. All you need to do is mix them and beat them until it becomes soft peaks. You can make any design. You can always make some flavored frosting too. You can add any flavors in it. I like to keep it vanilla. My kids really love strawberries, so I'm going to add just a bit more in it. And now your oats cocoa cupcakes are ready.